Happy holidays, everybody. And this Christmas, I'm giving. Yes, indeed, I am giving food to skinny girls. The other day I saw a group of skinny girls walking and I was like, damn, that is the sexiest stack of needles I have seen in the longest while. You know, like how you have like a school of fish, you have a toothpick of skinny girls. That's how they travel. Skinny girls travel in toothpicks. Skinny girls are like multi-tool knives. If you have a skinny girl on your arm, believe me, you're gonna feel like MacGyver. They are perfect for survival kits. They have 10 fingers and each finger is a different tool. You can use their fingers as toothpicks, dental floss, use them as needles. When you have a skinny girl, you can never lock yourself out of your house anymore. You just grab her hand, shove a finger into the door, click, click, lockpick. And if you ever find yourself out in a jungle and you have a skinny girl with you, they are perfect for hunting. Like they are shaped like spears. And if you're out in the wild again and you're thirsty, you see the collarbone? You ever see a skinny girl collarbone? It's like a bowl for scooping up water. Looking at some of them, they just want to take a dive. You see deep. They have the well collarbone. If you need to get a fire started, all she needs to do is just snap her fingers. Instant sparks. Skinny girls are like strainers for food. They retain nothing. No farmer nutrients them not retain from the food that they eat. And if you don't have money for toys this Christmas, just get a skinny girl. Put a string around the left arm, the right arm, and put one around the neck, one around the waist, tie that in the middle, and just a little bit of breeze. Phew, you have yourself a kite. And I also hear that they have ribs that make great xylophones. And if you can manage to get 52 of them in a one place, then you will have yourself a deck of skinny girl playing cards. Here you can pick out like a skinny girl easily because them always have toothpaste in them here because they are constantly being mistaken for toothbrushes. Cheat with a skinny girl. They are great for hiding. They have this thing they do called knifing. When they stay like this, you can see them, but as soon as them turn, where did she go? Knifing. And you will never have to worry about dropping a skinny girl home. If you are good at making paper planes, then you're Chris. All you need to do, fold her up into a nice little paper plane. Call me! Personally, I think skinny girls are just amazing. For them to be walking around on two Chinese chopsticks for eggs, that is a brotherhood. And skinny girls don't eat a lot. Like, I had a pimple on my face that had more protein than some of these skinny girls. I just diss myself. Which makes feeding them super easy. All you need to give them a one leaf and them good. And even though them not eat enough, sometimes it's hard to take out skinny girls. Because one time I tried to take out the skinny girl and when I reach inside the restaurant, you know the dude that front that seat you. Him say, excuse me sir, you cannot bring your broom into the restaurant. Then I have to say to the man, excuse me? Him say, I'm sorry sir, you cannot bring your mop into the restaurant. You hear this shit, babes? This is how you dance with a skinny girl. If you have a skinny girl as a girlfriend, next Halloween, you as the man can play Moses and she can be the staff. Skinny girls are very peaceful individuals because them can't fight. This is how you fight a skinny girl. You better come out of my face. Move. Bitch, no. Skinny girls on a diet is the most ridiculous shit I have ever heard. In order for you to lose weight, you actually have to have weight. What the hell are you trying to lose? Like skin from bones? But you die yet. It's amazing you haven't died yet. A lack of food is the last thing skinny girls should be thinking about. You need a sandwich or 70 and go large with it. Go mega large. Skinny girls have this new dance they do called the Bambi legs. Shout out to the skinny girls out there, and I hope you know that I'm just talking shit. And if you are offended, I will break a skinny bitch. By the way, it takes a lot of calories to frown and get mad. And those are calories that you don't have to waste, my friend. Before I go, I must say, yo, thanks to all the people who keep supporting me. I appreciate that shit so goddamn much. Thank you. Well, I not even know, you see me? Shout out to the people who make sure say every time I drop a video, them dip on it, click it, watch it, like it, share it. Big up to all that skinny girl, and even after I talk about you today, when I still I go like Kevin too crazy and say Ray and say, hey Kevin, you know say dirty, but me love to see him, yeah. Hey, you fat girl, where you all laugh? I own you next. Green space. So this is Kevin too crazy. Think you believe it and live to achieve it.
Yes, man.